works.
Okay.
So when you open it up, you can remove it. You can just take these stripes off as well. Then from there on, you take it from here, you open up the camper cot. Now it's very important, before pushing this down, you first have to click this up. And on this side, you've got to pick it up. Only after you've clicked this size up, do you push it up. Then from there, you can place these, and you can put your mattress in as well. We'll remove the relevant mattress, the bottom part. Which one? Take the red button, put it in. That. Only once you've done that, on the inside you'll feel there's a button, yeah, at the center. All that you have to do with this button is you just push it in and it breaks down. Same on this side, feel the button, push it in, breaks down.